How to simplify this kind of polynomials. As we can see, we're going to multiply monomial term to other polynomials. Good day everyone! Ang ituturo ko naman ngayon ay kung paano mag-multiply ng polynomials. Meron tayong tatlong example. Tapusin ang video ito hanggang dulo. Meron tayong tatlong given. As we can see, mag-multiply tayo ng monomial term times trinomial term. Okay, simulan natin sa given number 1. Ito na nga ang given number 1. Sagutan natin. 6x times the quantity of 2x squared minus 5x plus 4. Una mo lang gagawin, i-distribute mo lang yung 6x by multiplying it dun sa loob ng quantity. I-multiply mo lahat yung 6x dun sa trinomial. 6x, i-multiply mo sa 2x squared. Then 6x, i-multiply mo sa negative 5x. Then yung 6x, ay i-multiply mo sa positive 4. Gawin natin, ano ang magiging final answer? 6x times 2x squared, ang sagot dito ay 12x cubed. Bakit naging x cube? Dahil sa product rule, ina-add natin ang exponent, kinokopy lang natin yung variable base x. Magiging 12x cube. Minus 6x naman times negative 5x, ang sagot ay negative 30x squared. Plus 6x naman times positive 4 ay magiging positive 24x. Kaya ang final answer sa given ito ay 12x cube minus 30x squared plus 24x. Okay, given number 2. 2y times the quantity of y squared plus 7y plus 2. Okay, sa ating given, i-distribute naman natin by multiplying it also yung 2y sa loob ng quantity which is trinomial. 2y, i-multiply natin sa y squared. Then yung 2y, i-multiply natin sa positive 7y. Then yung 2y ay i-multiply din natin sa constant na 2. Okay, gawin natin. 2y times y squared. Again, product rule, add the exponent. 2y times y squared is 2y cubed. Plus 2y times 7y is positive 14y squared. Then plus 2y times positive 2 is 4y. Therefore, the final answer for this given is 2y cubed plus 14y squared plus 4y. And we have given number 3, 8r times the quantity of 3r squared minus 9r minus 11. Okay, what are we going to do? First, multiply 8r to the trinomial given inside the quantity. 8r, i-multiply natin sa 3r squared. Then yung 8r, i-multiply natin sa negative 9r. Then yung 8r ay i-multiply din natin sa negative 11. Okay, what will happen? 8r times 3r squared is 24r cubed minus 8r times 9r is negative 72r squared. Then minus 11, i-multiply naman natin yung 8r sa negative 11. Ang magiging sagot ay negative 88r. Therefore, the final answer for this given is 24r cubed minus 72r squared minus 88r.